Welcome to DCAC Going Green News, or GGN, Episode 4.
Hi, I'm Doug.
And I am Alex.
Please subscribe below and click on the like button if you find this one interesting.
This video is being uploaded on February 9th, 2020.
This week we want to start the news with our weekly report on countries and communities helping to bring us a more sustainable lifestyle. We are featuring Scotland's push to be able to generate 100% of their electricity from renewable sources by the end of 2020.
Wait, 100%?
100%.
That's 100%.
With a percent sign.
By the end
All of their electricity from renewable resources, yes.
By
Scotland.
the end of this year?
Yes. Scotland produces most of its renewable energy from wind power. In 2019, from January until June, they produced 9.8 million megawatt hours of power, enough to supply 4.47 million homes.
That's twice of what they need for a country with around 2.6 million homes. In March alone, they produced 2.2 million megawatt hours of power.
Yeah, that's a lot of power.
In fact, that's enough to supply the electricity to all of Scotland and northern England as well.
That's great. These are amazing figures. Scotland's wind energy revolution is clearly continuing to power ahead, says Robin Parker, the Climate and Energy Policy Manager for the Worldwide Fund for Nature, which is WWF. Up and down the country, we are all benefiting from cleaner energy, and so is the climate. These figures show harnessing Scotland's plentiful onshore wind potential can provide clean, green electricity for millions of homes across not only Scotland, but England as well, he said.
The UK is on the way to its goal of no coal-fired power plants by 2025, with Scotland leading the way.
Yep, sure is.
Scotland is making its way to being 100% carbon neutral by 2040, with the capital of Edinburgh leading the way with an ambitious plan to be neutral by 2030.
Yeah, by the end of 2020, the city will have reduced its carbon emission by 42% since 1995.
That's almost half.
Yeah, doing really well. One of the ways they are making this happen is by not allowing ICE vehicles to enter the center of the city, and by mandating that all buses and trucks follow very strict emission guidelines.
Interesting.
The City Council stated that there will be an increase in citywide generation of renewable energy and a retrofitting of all of the central heating plants, upgrading insulation on all city-controlled properties, and local plans to support similar changes throughout the city.
As Scotland's greenest city, Glasgow prepares to host the next World Climate Change Conference this year. Pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
They have pledged to be the first carbon neutral city in the UK. Pretty cool as well.
Mm-hmm.
The city's council and Scottish Power have announced a range of strategies in attempt to reduce carbon emissions. Glasgow introduced the first low-emission zone outside of London at the end of 2018.
Yeah, Scottish Power says that the plans for more workplace and public electric vehicle charging hubs that will be in the heart of this decarbonized city. They will have been named one of the world's top 5 sustainable conference and business event destinations by Global Destination Sustainability Index. This shows the great strides they are making in this respect. They are getting support from their hotels, restaurants, transportation industry, and entertainment sectors. In 2018-19, Glasgow hosted 25 energy sustainable carbon reduction related conferences that boosted the city's economy by nearly $11 million US. That shows what the economic impact can be when a city puts sustainability first.
As ancestors from Scotland, we are very proud that they are one of the leading nations towards sustainable life.
Yep, that's really great. Yeah, we're really stoked about that. My family's completely from Scotland, and he's half that way, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, we're going to go visit there really soon, so we'll be coming to see you, Scotland, before too long. Mm-hmm. So in EV news this week,
The city of New York, USA, just announced that all city-owned vehicles will be fully electric by 2040. This will include more than 20,000 vehicles, including every garbage truck, ferry, ambulance, police cruiser, bus, car, and vehicle owned and operated by the city. Now, is this just me, or a lot of things going to be happening in 2040?
A lot of things are going to be happening in 2040. All I got to say is you guys making batteries, get it going.
Yeah.
This will have the same effect as taking 750,000 cars off their streets. That's 750,000 cars because so much of this is trucks, ferries, ambulances, and buses, which take a lot of energy. The mayor's office also expects to see a 50% reduction in emissions by this fleet in 5 years in 2025. So they're going to start right now with the eventual being able to take 20,000 vehicles and turn them all into electric vehicles. That's a step in the right direction for sure, and let's hope they can make that happen even faster. Tesla has announced that Model Ys have started production, and they expect to have them out by late March. We have even seen reports of them being spotted around North America, not just in California, but all over North America. And some have even been spotted in Canada.
Wait, Canada?
In Canada. Yeah, we're stoked about that too.
Okay.
We
I have a theory.
What?
Theory time. Maybe the next place that Tesla is going to build a gigafactory is in Canada.
Wouldn't surprise me one little bit. We're looking forward to getting to check one of these out really soon.
In SpaceX news,
the company hosted a Starship Career Day, February 6th, at the facility near South Texas village of Boca Chica, where the big spaceship is coming together. Now, if any of you guys don't know, you can go check out. There's lots of sites. Everyday Astronaut has a really good report every week from down there of what's going on. So check out his site. We'll put his thing in the thing.
SpaceXcentric as well.
Yeah, SpaceXcentric. There's also a guy, and I can't remember his name, that's actually got a camera down there 24/7. So we'll put that down in the description too.
Also, What About It?
Check it out. And What About It does stuff from down there too. So it's a whole bunch of good YouTube channels. Check them out, support them, like them, subscribe to them, do the whole thing.
Yeah.
Elon went on to say this week that this is mainly for staffing up 4 production shifts for 24/7 operation, but engineers, supervisors, and support personnel are certainly needed too. A super hardcore work ethic, talent for building things, common sense, and trustworthiness are required, and the rest we can train.
We are looking forward to a launch soon, and we'll keep you updated on all things SpaceX and other space.
Yeah, we kind of think that they're going to try to shoot up something by the end of March or early April, but we'll see. We'll see how they go. Things are coming along pretty fast down there. Anyway, check out those sites. There's all kinds of cool videos and stuff from down there.
They also recently did those exploding tests. And
where they're checking the pressure tests on the tanks.
And another good news is that I'm pretty sure they've started. They did the last test, and now they're starting building.
Yeah, no, things are going really fast.
So yeah.
In our first news on sustainable housing is a story about a company called Miraco. They are based in Australia and have recently shared plans for a 3D printed home made from hemp biomass and their eco-polymer technology. Hemp. Yes, hemp.
Okay. Miraco cites environmental concerns as one of their primary motivations. They have developed a way to produce hemp panels which can be used in both residential and commercial building projects. Miraco says that these 3D printed panels are structurally sound, easy to produce, and provide superior thermal performance. In a recent statement, the company said,
"Just imagine living and working in a building that is 3D printed and available to move into in only a matter of weeks. The floors, walls, and roofs will all be made using hemp biomass, and the windows will incorporate cutting-edge technology that allows light to pass through them while converting it to electricity."
While Miraco isn't the first company to make houses out of hemp, they are the first to do it with 3D printing technology.
Yep.
which is pretty cool.
Yeah, that technology is pretty cool. They have a big thing and it just goes back and forth. And
Is it like those ones that have there's tubes and it basically looks like they're pouring out concrete?
yep, it'll be basically the same kind of an idea.
Interesting. The global potential of using Mirko's polymer technology and hemp materials as a carbon neutral building product is a great idea.
Yeah, it's going to be great. Hemp's one of the best products as far as sequestering carbon by taking it out of the air through carbon dioxide, which is what plant eats. And because hemp grows so fast, it takes a lot of carbon
And
dioxide
isn't
out
it
of the air.
really easy to grow?
It's really easy to grow. Commercial, industrial hemp is very easy to grow. Anyway, you can see their link below and check out all the other links from the show today. Well, that's our show for this week. Please subscribe below and hit the like button.
And make sure to not forget to click the bell button so you don't miss out on any of our awesome videos.
Yep, this is a huge help to us. And please share this with all your friends and family, all the videos you see on our site. And yes?
So that we can keep doing the stuff that we're doing.
Yep, and check out our Facebook and other social media sites. The links are listed below. Help us build a community of sustainable living families.
See you Wednesday for the next tech and product review.
Yep, we're not sure what we're going to do yet, but we'll have a surprise for you, I'm sure.
But we do know what we're doing the next week.
What's that?
How to grow and sustain organic food.
Oh, yes. We're going to do the next couple of shows are going to be on organic food and gardening and stuff like that. It's that time of the year again. So until then, be kind to each other and the little blue ball we call home. Peace.